Hi, thank you for your interest in our MONARCH engine lathe. It's 30-inch swing by 144-inch center distance. It's in very, very good condition in all respects. Looks great, runs great. Let's do a quick up-close overview of the whole machine, and then Rick will run it. Here's the 24-inch forejaw. I really want you to see these ways. They look so good. It's hard to find machines this size, this nice. Look at the cross slide. It's got a nice, big, beefy steady rest and tailstock. Has a D18 spindle nose. If it seems like I'm hurrying, I am, so that we can keep a smaller file to upload to YouTube. We have the taper attachment and the clamp. 20 horse main drive motor. It's a long handle machine. If you're into Monarchs, you know that they're as good as it gets. Okay, Rick, ready when you are.
Okay, this is 63 RPMs. Okay, this will be 168 RPMs. We'll run some feeds in this RPM. Machine feeding. Feeding in reverse. Okay, this is 450 RPMs. This is the
450. Stand back. Woo! Oh yeah.
Okay, now pretty much done. Thank you.
We are 5 minutes from the Salt Lake International Airport. You are invited to come see. We can pick you up at the airport, take you back. And please let us know if you have any questions whatsoever. Thank you.